The coronavirus pandemic is still accelerating. The World Health Organization issued a warning as the number of global cases topped 9 million and the total number of deaths is approaching 500,000. The fastest growing outbreaks are now in North and South America, but parts of Asia and Europe that had previously declared victory over the virus are starting to show regional spikes in new cases. That's forcing some authorities to backtrack on lifting lockdown measures. Evelyn Laverick has the story.
Barely a day after Spain lifted its state of emergency, opened its borders and let in tourists, the authorities have been forced to put 3 districts in Aragon back under lockdown. The region in northeast Spain is one of several areas detecting clusters of coronavirus cases, Madrid and Catalonia being just 2 others. The infections in Aragon are linked to an outbreak detected at a fruit and vegetable farm. Germany has also had to consider new restrictions in the ongoing battle to contain a cluster of infections at a meat processing plant. A whole street is being put under lockdown for 2 weeks where many of the foreign workers are housed.
It's
an extraordinary situation to live in quarantine and to also be surrounded by a fence, but we thought it necessary to install a demarcation area so that people know that they're put in quarantine and that special safety precautions are applicable.
A local lockdown is being considered in North Wales after a coronavirus outbreak at a food factory on Anglesey. 175 workers have tested positive. All staff have been told to self-isolate and the factory closed. And in Portugal, some lockdown measures are being reimposed in the capital after a spike of new cases.
Todos os outros estabelecimentos de natureza comercial.
All commercial establishments, cafes, etc. will be closed from 8 p.m.
Encerrados a partir das 20 horas.
Portugal has a relatively low coronavirus toll of under 40,000 cases and just over 1,500 deaths. These new outbreaks are localised according to the government and easily traceable. Evelyn Laverick, Euronews.